your hook under the V shape created from your previous row or into your foundation chain if you are crocheting your first row. Wrap your yarn over the top and down at the front. Pull your hook back through your work. Wrap your yarn over your hook again so you have a total of 3 loops on your hook, and then pull that loop through your first and second loop with your hook, making sure that the entire yarn is pulled through, leaving you with just the 1 loop left on your hook, which is the end of the stitch. If you have trouble finding where to insert your hook, there's a small gap between the stitches, but if you turn your work onto its end, you'll see there's a small V shape which you need to be going under.